Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and obviously I will show you both. So let's begin with the shorter one. Let's enter the dialer in order to enter the code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, the IMEI info just pops out. Here we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check the numbers, because probably you've noticed that the serial number wasn't present in the pop-up view. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and let's find the status. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, here we can tap on IMEI information, and here we will receive the info about the IMEI for both SIM slots, and we have to go back in order to find the serial number, which is right here. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.